Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a really fun video for you guys today. So a couple weeks ago, my boyfriend and I took a trip to Ikea, which if you guys shop at Ikea, you know the thrill of going to the store and buying all sorts of stuff you didn't know you needed. It's almost like that adrenaline rush of finding really good things, and kind of similar like how I feel when I go to Target, you know? I will show you guys a haul of everything that I got that I can physically show you. We did pick up some furniture pieces, so at the end I will kind of go through those and show some pictures of what they look like so that way you know what I'm talking about. So if you want to see what I picked up from Ikea, then keep watching. Okay, so one thing to mention is the house that we are in does not have storage. Like in our entire house, we have the least amount of storage possible. We don't have any hall closets. The closets that we do have in the bedrooms, the floors are slanted like this. I think that was meant for shoes, but it's so inconvenient because you can't put anything there besides shoes. You know, if you wanted to add floor storage or anything like that. So it's just really inconvenient. So we have to get creative when it comes to how we organize our home. And like with most people over the last year, I've kind of redecorated and revamping some of the rooms in the house and just giving them a fresh new look. One room in particular will be fully redecorated later this month. I will put notes on the screen. I don't want to say it out loud because I don't want a certain person to hear me. But I'm very, very, very excited. I cannot wait. It's something I've been wanting to do for so long. And with my house between my daughter and my two dogs, I am not ready to invest in very expensive furniture pieces yet. So I try and look for things that are affordable and still look really expensive. And make sure you follow me on Instagram because as I start implementing and setting these items up, I will be posting before and after pictures and doing reels and some fun things like that so you can visually see what it looks like in this space. Because obviously showing you right now, you're not going to get a gist of what it will look like. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. So the first item I got is to replace the shutters in our house. We have wood shutters. They are so old. Like our house was built in the 70s. So I'm pretty sure that some of these shutters are at least 30, maybe 40 years old. They're so old, they're all breaking, falling apart, and I just want to rip them all out and just install curtains. So I got these for our bedroom, and the style is Tibast, T-I-B-A-S-T, I don't know. But they are white, and I will insert a photo of what they look like. At Ikea, they had them hanging on, you know, a display so you can touch and feel. These feel so luxurious and I'm so excited to put them up. Hopefully I can get them up, you know, in the next couple days, and then you guys can head to my Instagram and see what they look like. And the size that I got them in is 57 inches by 98 inches. They do have ones that are 57 by 118 inches, but those are just a little too long for the bedroom. So I went with the 98-inch ones. And one thing, if you guys have never bought curtains from Ikea, is they're honestly really affordable. These ones right here are ones, not 100% blackout curtains, but maybe like the next level down, where they do give you privacy, but they do allow sunlight to come in, which I wanted. I didn't want fully blackout curtains, so I picked these up, and I will leave links and prices to everything down below because I'm not really sure. But I want to say these were around $59, so not too bad. And the next item is very similar. It is for the room that I mentioned that we are redecorating this month. And the colors are going to be pink and white. And these are the Lenda And I love these. I don't know if you can tell like in the picture, but you can actually tie them back. So they just look really elegant, very princess-like, and the feel of them is just really high quality and elegant. You can also see on the packaging that some light will come in. The one all the way over here is the blackout one. So these will let in some sunlight, but will give you privacy as well. Another item that I picked up for that special room is to go inside the closet, and it is a storage basket for toys. And it looks like this. This is the only color it comes in, and it's just going to be so helpful in getting rid of the toy box. And I will insert a photo so you can see what it looks like, but I'm so excited for this, and the best part is it was $3.99. Can't beat that. This is another item that is going to go inside the closet. This one is going to be for shoes and maybe some sweaters. And it is the Rosla right here. And this is the picture. It looks like this. I love these things. We got another one for our closet because we don't have storage in our bathroom. So what we did is we hung one inside the closet and we put all of our towels on there. Like I said, we don't have closets. We don't even have storage in the bathroom. So we have to get creative, and this was perfect. It was such a good spontaneous idea. So the next item I got, I've purchased these before. I love them, and because of the remodel that we're doing, I needed stuff to go under the bed, and I love the quality of these. These are called the Scubs. They are drawer organizers, and in this set you do get, I think, 4 different sized boxes, which is so great for, you know, socks or underwear, bathing suits, t-shirts, anything that you would normally keep in a drawer. These are great, and I think they're $4.99. So everything that I got was pretty affordable. The next item I got, I love to get this at Ikea. If you guys have kids, definitely check out the silverware at Ikea. It is super good quality, and this was their latest set. So you get 3 pieces, you know, a fork, a knife, and a spoon in each of these colors. I just pulled one of each out so you can see, but one pack contains 1 set. So you basically get 6 sets of silverware in 1 bag, and the best prices is $1.99. So I love these. They are super, super high quality, very thick plastic. I love them. They're so durable. And I ended up picking up 3 bags just because ours were so old. They do change out the colors, I think, every year or a couple years. The ones that we had before were almost neon colors, but still the same great quality, and I love these. They're so great for kids. So sometimes when you are redecorating a room, you learn very quickly how expensive it can get. Sometimes it's things that you don't even think of. And one thing that I needed were pillows, but I didn't want to spend a fortune on them. So I found some really nice ones at Ikea. They have everything from super squishy flat pillows all the way up to memory foam pillows, but I just wanted some pillows that were going to be decorative pillows, so they didn't have to be anything fancy. So I found these, and they are so comfortable. They were $12.99, and I will talk about the pillowcase set in a second. But the pillows are so great, so comfortable, and it's not something that I sleep on per se, but I do use it to sit up in bed and things like that. And I think they were $12.99 a piece. And when you go and buy them in the store, they are rolled up in a bag. It's like the ones that you suck the air out of. I don't want to say shrink wrapped, but it's like the airtight bags. So transporting them home was super easy. Now going back to this pillowcase. I wanted a new duvet cover for our bed, and I really liked this one. It just looked really elegant and classy with the stripes. It was in white, and I picked it up, and it did come with 2 pillowcases, which was great, which is what I have on the pillows now. I did pick up a duvet cover as well. I'm so obsessed with it. It's very, very lightweight, but it keeps you so warm. I'm somebody who gets cold at night. My boyfriend is somebody who sweats at night, so he's dying with it, but I love it. He does find it to be very comfortable. It just makes him hot at night. But I love it. So I will make sure to link it down below for you guys, because obviously it's too big to show you. But it's such a good comforter, especially if you want something that's going to keep you warm and be affordable. So as I mentioned, the room that we are redecorating, the colors are pink and white, and I saw this pillow as a decorative pillow, and I thought it was so cute. So it looks like this. I think it was $4.99 or $6.99. It was super affordable, but I just thought it was very fun, very kind of on par with our decor. It's a little brighter than everything else will be, but I just thought it was super cute, and I thought it would be a great decor pillow. I do love that it's soft, but it does have some structure to it, so it's not super flimsy, or it's not a pillow that you have to fluff to make it look nice, which I love. So this will be the accent pillow. Okay, so now moving on to the furniture pieces that I physically can't show you. They still are in boxes, but the first item is the Brimney's bed. And I love that it has the 4 drawers, 2 on either side. And I love that it has the shelves on either side of the headboard. It gives you a place to put extra storage items, books, things like that, which I love. And then of course you can put something on top like a lamp, which I probably won't do, but this just helps to eliminate a dresser and a bookshelf in a small space. So if you are somebody that is tight on space and you're looking for a way to maximize your space and find a way to store things, this is a really good option for you. So this next piece is a desk. It is very small, and I wanted it that way because 1, she's little, and 2, it's going to go by a window kind of between her closet and her bed. And so I just wanted something that was going to be functional for coloring or something like that. And I love this one, and the best part is it was super inexpensive. We did also get a clear chair to go with it. So I'm very excited to see how it comes out. And then on our way out, my boyfriend spotted a little table and 2 chairs for our back bedroom patio. We have a very small patio back there, but we've been wanting to find a little table and chairs just so we can sit out there, because we do love to sit outside, and they were perfect. I think the table was $35 and the chairs were $25 each. Super affordable. Very lightweight, but very nice looking. So I will be decorating the outdoor patio area, which I can't wait. So I will insert photos so you can see those. But I'm just super excited, and I will take you guys along and show you the transformations as I do them. I will probably post them on Instagram like I mentioned. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I mentioned, I will leave links to everything down below. I know it's hard to see things that are not fully in place, and especially when it comes to furniture, but I promise I will show you guys. So I wanted to share this with you because I love shopping at Ikea, and if you are an Ikea shopper, if you guys want to see like a home tour of everything once it's done, just let me know. I'd be more than happy to do it. But I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye, you guys.